If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To find and replace text in a publication's pages in Microsoft Publisher, click the Replace button in the Editing button group on the Home tab of the ribbon to open the Find and Replace pane at the right side of the screen. Then type the word or phrase to find into the Search For field. Then type the word or phrase with which to replace the found word into the Replace With field. To restrict the search if needed, check any desired options in the Find Options section. Then click the Find Next button to find the next instance of the text. Then click the Replace button to replace the selected instance of the text with your replacement text. Repeat this process until you finish. Alternatively, to automatically replace all found instances with your replacement text throughout the publication, click the Replace All button instead of the Find Next button. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.